Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by Delta Exchange. Last week was not a good week for us. US markets broke out last week, particularly on Friday. US markets broken out, and Nasdaq, I think it has hit a all-time high. But our market was brought down by HDFC Bank. It's not only HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank has fallen nearly 12% after the results. That is one of the biggest fall in HDFC history. Not only that, Reliance fell after the results. Hindustan Unilever fell after the results. I think after a positive return for the IT stocks after the results, and all other stocks are falling after the results. So that is something not really very good. But however, after the trading hours on Saturday, ICICI Bank has come out with results. I think the results seems to be really very good. Even during the market hours also, Kotak Bank has come out with results. I think the Kotak Bank moved higher. That's mainly because, people were not expecting any good results from Kotak Bank. So when they came out with the good results, so the markets went up. However, before that, the IndusInd Bank results came, so the markets fell. So overall, uh, Indian markets earnings season started very well with IT stocks, but that is not going very well now. So because of that, the markets were very, very choppy. We started the series somewhere around 21,700 plus, but now we are below that level. So for the month of January or for the January series, we are still negative, whereas the US markets have turned positive. But however, uh, people think this ICICI Bank can turn the sentiment around in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is going up or not, but the probability of Bank Nifty going down from here is very, very less. So coming week will be very, very exciting for many reasons. So number one, Monday's trading session was preponed to Saturday. NSE has done this and BSE has also done this. And in my opinion, there was no logic in that. So the logic given was, Monday, Maharashtra state government has declared holiday. So if that is the case, during the coronavirus, even the entire Maharashtra government was shut down for so many days. Forget about Maharashtra, the entire country was shut down for so many days. But despite that, the stock markets functioned and stock markets functioned without any glitch. So this was not the reason. So anyway, we don't go into the detail why they have done it. And sometimes people who buy options, sell option, so they factor in the number of trading sessions, a possible uh, black swan events during the Saturday and Sunday. So all that get disturbed. So if NSE decided to do this, I'm sure they should have decided earlier. They should have informed us much earlier. And they are just informing just one day before. And one day before also, somewhere in the late evening. So it was a too short period for everybody to arrange for the manpower and other things. Say, for example, I planned a workshop in Chennai, right? So anyway, since I'm not trading, it has not affected me. But had I been trading, this would have been a problem. So I just keep watching the market, just for making the YouTube videos, for comments on YouTube videos. So that's it. So anyway, they've done it. So Monday is a holiday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And another important thing, so far, monthly expiries in Bank Nifty was happening on Thursday, but this is the first time in this series, Bank Nifty expiry will be on Wednesday. So that was also another issue. Earlier, every week Bank Nifty used to have a 5 days the last week, we'll have a 6 days. So that, aberration has sorted out now. So now every Wednesday will be the Bank Nifty expiry. So in all likelihood, but tomorrow our markets are likely to open higher based on the global cues. And Asian markets are higher, US markets are also higher on Friday, and they are likely to be higher today also because it is a very big breakout in Nasdaq. And then, ICICI Bank sentiment will also be there. And though markets fell on Friday, first time, HDFC Bank is trying to stabilize. It didn't continue to fall. So the previous day, HDFC Bank ADR was down, but despite that, HDFC Bank was not down on Saturday here. So with HDFC Bank stabilizing and ICICI Bank giving a positive sentiment, so our markets, likely to move higher this week. And we should be happy if Nifty closes at least flat, because for the month of November and December, our markets have shot up like anything. So the January is a consolidation. And then, people may be waiting for budget outcome. So to take the directional view. So anyway, still technically markets are bullish and markets are not bearish technically. And this is just a normal profit booking because of last 2 months, November, December, rally of more than 3,000 points. So markets are waiting to see 22,000. 22,000 was crossed intra-month, but by closing, it's not going to close above 22,000. We still have 3 more trading sessions, so anything can happen. But looking at the conditions now, it doesn't look like. So maybe in the month of February, we can expect Nifty to cross 22,000. So meanwhile, there's a lot of speculation going around. Petrol prices may be reduced, but there is no such news has come. So, that may come, maybe in the month of February. So let us see where the market is going this week. And today is the time to rest. So tomorrow the action will begin. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.